Myself Pushpa Kuraka, I'm your EVS teacher. In my previous video, we have done a quiz on chapter number 12, weather, season, time and date. In today's video, we will revise our chapter number 9, plants, and chapter number 10, animals again. So let's revise.
First, we will revise chapter number 9, plants. And the first topic of this chapter is parts of a plant. Now, I'm going to show you the different parts of plants with the help of a picture. This part of plant is known as fruit, fruit. This part of plant is known as leaf. This part of plant is known as stem. This part of plant is known as root. And this part of plant is known as flower, flower. Now I am going to tell you about the function of these parts of plant. The first one is root. The root is the part of plant which hold the plant to the ground and it absorbs water and nutrients from the soil. रूट एक ऐसा पार्ट ऑफ प्लांट है जो पौधे को मिट्टी से जोड़े रखता है और मिट्टी से पौधे के लिए पानी और पोषक तत्वों को देता है. The second part of plant is stem. Stem holds the plant straight and it transport nutrients and water to all the parts of plant. Stem पौधे को सीधा रखने का काम करती है और रूट्स के द्वारा लाए हुए न्यूट्रिएंट्स और पानी को पौधे के अन्य भाग तक पहुंचाती है. नेक्स्ट वन इज लीफ. लीफ इज नोन एज द किचन ऑफ द प्लांट. इट प्रोड्यूस फूड फॉर द प्लांट. पत्ते को पौधे का किचन भी कहा जाता है जो पूरे पौधे के लिए खाना बनाने का काम करता है. And the last one is flowers. It is the most beautiful part of plant. It grows into fruit. It has petals and fragrance. पौधे का सबसे सुंदर पार्ट है फ्लावर्स. फ्लावर्स फ्रूट में कन्वर्ट हो जाते हैं. फ्लावर ही एक ऐसा पार्ट ऑफ प्लांट है जिसके पास पंखुड़ियां हैं और खुशबू भी. The second topic of this chapter is different types of plants. And the first type of plants are trees. Trees are huge and strong plants. They have a hard and broad stem which is known as trunk. For example, banyan tree, peepal tree and gulmohar tree. ट्रीज बहुत ही स्ट्रॉन्ग और बड़े होते हैं जिसकी स्टेम बहुत हार्ड होती है जिसे हम ट्रंक के नाम से भी जानते हैं. सेकेंड वन इज shrubs. They are smaller than trees and have multiple stems. For example, rose plant, jasmine and cotton plant. Shrubs plants ट्रीज से छोटे होते हैं और इनके पास बहुत सारी स्टेम्स होती हैं. Herbs. Herbs are the smallest plants and they have soft and weak stem. For example, wheat, mint and tulsi. Herbs सबसे छोटे प्लांट्स होते हैं. इनकी स्टेम बहुत ही कमजोर और कोमल होती है. Next one is climbers. Climbers are the plant which need support to grow upward. For example, money plant and grapevine. वो प्लांट जिन्हें ऊपर की तरह ग्रो करने के लिए सपोर्ट की ज़रूरत पड़ती है उन प्लांट्स को हम क्लाइंबर्स बोलते हैं. And the last types of plants are creepers. Creepers are the plant that spreads and grows by creeping along the surface. For example, pumpkin plant and watermelon. वो प्लांट्स जिन्हें ग्राउंड सरफेस की ज़रूरत पड़ती है अपने आप को ग्रो करने के लिए, उन प्लांट्स को हम क्रीपर्स प्लांट्स कहते हैं. Next topic is life cycle of a plant. Like all living beings, plants do have a life cycle. A baby plant grows from a seed and baby plant grows bigger through the years. हमारी ही तरह पौधों का भी एक जीवन चक्र होता है और पौधा एक बीज से जन्म लेता है और साल दर साल बढ़ते जाता है. Now, the question is, what do plants need for growth? And the answer is, plants need air, water, sunlight, and nutrients from the soil to grow. प्लांट को बढ़ने के लिए हवा, पानी, सूरज की किरणों और मिट्टी के कुछ पोषक तत्वों की जरूरत पड़ती है. Different trees grows in different areas. अलग अलग लैंड फॉर्म्स में अलग अलग प्रकार के पेड़ पौधे उगते हैं. For example, the trees that grows in hilly areas are fir tree and pine tree. Plants that grow in water are lotus, water lily. Trees that grow in plains are neem tree and mango tree. Trees that grow in deserts are palm tree and cactus. Next topic is, what do plants give us? Plants gives us so many things. We and animals depend on plants for food. Plants हमें बहुत सारी चीजें देते हैं. हम और जानवर अपने खाने के लिए plants पर ही depend होते हैं. Green plants are the only living being on earth that can prepare their own food. ग्रीन प्लांट्स ही ऐसे जीव जंतु हैं जो अपने आप खाना बना लेते हैं. We get fruits, vegetables and grains from plants. Some other things which we get from plants are wood, fiber, medicines, perfumes, paper, gum, rubber and oil. वुड हमें फर्नीचर बनाने में हेल्प करता है. फाइबर हमें क्लोथ्स बनाने में हेल्प करता है. मेडिसिनल प्लांट्स लाइक तुलसी हमें मेडिसिन्स बनाने में हेल्प करती हैं. फ्लावर्स लाइक रोज एंड जैस्मिन हेल्प अस टू prepare perfume. Paper, we get papers from plant. Gum tree gives us gum. Rubber plant gives us rubber. Oil, the plants like coconut gives us oil. And the last topic of this chapter is taking care of plants. First, we will learn what should we do for taking care of our plants and trees. Number 1, water the plant regularly. Number 2, plant more and more trees. Number 3, add manure to the soil for the plant to grow well. Number 4, keep potted plants in places where they get proper sunlight and air. Now we will learn what we should not do for plants and trees. Number 1, do not cut down trees. Number 2, do not put indoor plants out in the sun for long. Number 3, do not pluck flowers. Number 4, do not throw trash on flower beds. Number 5, be careful not to step on flower beds while visiting gardens and park. Now we will revise chapter number 10, Animals. First, I will tell you about the kind of animals. We can see different kind of animals around us. Some are known as wild animal, some are known as domestic animals, and some are known as pet animals. First, I will tell you the animals who are known as wild animals. Wild animals are those animals that we do not see around us. They can found in forests and zoos. For example, lion and giraffe. Next one is domestic animals. Domestic animals are those animals which are kept in farms. For example, horse and cow. Next one is pet animals. Pet animals are those animals to whom we keep at our home. For example, dog and cat. Next one is birds. Birds are the only animals that have feathers. Most birds live on tree and build their nest. For example, sparrow and parrot. Next one is reptiles. Reptiles are those animals who can crawl. For example, snake and lizard. And the last kind of animals are insects. Insects are the tiny animals who have 6 legs. For example, honeybee and ladybug. Next topic is homes of animals. Animals also want shelter to live. Wild animals build or find their own shelter. And for domestic animals, human beings build shelter. For example, bears live in a cave, lion live in a den, cows lives in a shed, horses lives in a stable, dogs lives in a kennel, birds lives in a nest, snakes lives in a hole, rabbits lives in a burrow, octopus and fish lives in a water, crocodile and frog are some animals who can live both on land and in water. Now I am going to tell you what do animals eat. First one is the animals that eat plants are called herbivorous or plant eaters. For example, horse and rabbit. Next one is animals that eat flesh or meat of other animals are called carnivorous animals. For example, lion and tiger. And the last one is animals that eat both plants and meat are called omnivorous. For example, hen and cat. And the next topic is animals communication. Animals cannot communicate like us. They use different sounds for communication. For example, lion, birds, horse, cat, goat, dog, monkey, elephant. Next topic is animals and their babies. Like plants and human beings, animals also have their young ones and they are known by different names. For example, Baby of dog is known as puppy. Baby of lion is known as cub. Baby of goat is known as kid. Baby of sheep is known as lamb. And baby of cat is known as kitten. Our next topic is what animals give us. Cows and buffalo gives us milk. Ducks and hens gives us egg. Honeybees gives us sweet honey. Goat gives us meat. Many people eat fish. Some animals gives us fiber. For example, sheep gives us wool and silkworm gives us silk. Some animals gives us manure and help farmers in plowing the field. For example, bull. Some animals works as means of transportation. They help us to carry people and goods from one place to another. For example, camel, donkey, and horse. Pet animals are known as our best companions. For example, cat and dog.
I hope you understood the revision work very nicely and you will revise both the chapter at your home. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.